Hello everyone. Let us see question number 6. Multiple choice questions. 13th one. The chemical formula of bleaching powder is. This is 1 mark question. Chemical formula of bleaching powder. You heard about bleaching powder, right? Bleaching powder na ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? To bleach ಅಲ್ವಾ? It is used as cleaning reagent and it used to make drinking water free of to make free of germs alva. It is also used in textile industries, laundry and paper factory. So what is the formula of this bleaching powder ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ NaCl? No, this is the formula for common salt. Option B, Na2CO3. Na2CO3. Sodium carbonate. This is washing soda. CaCO3. This is also wrong. Option C, CaCO3 is wrong. This is calcium carbonate. Option D, CaOCl2. Yes, this is the correct chemical formula of bleaching powder. Option D, CaOCl2 is correct formula for bleaching powder. How bleaching powder is produced ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ action of chlorine on dry slate line ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್ ಅನ್ನು CaOH twice ಜೊತೆ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬ್ಲೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಪೌಡರ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಇದು ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ, ಬಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. Hello everyone. Let us see